Good morning, students. This class related to parabola. Previously, we discussed the general method or eccentricity method. Now, parabola special methods: tangent method, oblong method, or rectangle method, parallelogram method, offset method, or span and rise method. Offset method is not included in the syllabus. Now, for the parabola, how to draw its axis, vertex, focus and directrix. Let us consider a parabola. Consider a parabola. For the parabola, you have to draw two parallel chords. Somewhere else, two parallel chords. Now I am drawing two parallel chords. Naming it as KL, MN. Now, for these two parallel chords, I am locating its exact midpoint. This is the midpoint. Naming this midpoint as IZ. IZ. Now, you have to join these 2 points as a straight line. A little bit extend it. After extension, you have to draw a perpendicular to this line, perpendicular to this line, IZ line. So perpendicular this line, which is going to be cut parabola. Now I am naming this as a PQ. PQ is a double ordinate. I can call it as double ordinate. Now for PQ, you have to locate its midpoint. This is going to be length, this is going to be length. So midpoint existing here. Little bit I am assuming. Right. This is midpoint for PQ. I am naming it as some point with A. So passing through A, I am drawing a perpendicular to PQ. This represents axis. When axis is going to be drawn, it becomes vertex. Axis is going to be cleared, vertex is going to be located. Now how to draw its focus and directrix. Now this is VA is going to be some distance. Measure this length. Measure this length. Suppose now VA is equals to VS. VA equals to VS. Assume, I am assuming, but exactly is going to be equal. VA equals to VS. I am locating a point S here. After locating the point S, you have to join the P point. P point. It looks like a tangent for it. It looks like a tangent for it. After drawing the PQ line, after drawing SP line, for the SP line, draw a perpendicular bisector. Draw a perpendicular bisector. If you draw a perpendicular bisector for PS line, by drawing a perpendicular bisector, by using a compass, this perpendicular bisector cuts axis at certain point. Name this point as a focus. F is a focus. After locating a focus, how to get the directrix? VF is equals to VO. Now this is going to be VF distance. This length you have to measure it and you have to put it here, same length by using a compass or a drafter. This is going to be its directrix. D, D dash. So D dash is the directrix. So for the parabola, you have to locate axis, vertex, focus, directrix. This is the procedure. Thank you.